Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the BLU View 3 for Straight Talk. So this is a budget phone for Straight Talk. This is fairly new from what I can tell. I've recently seen this on Straight Talk's website, so it's new to me. So I don't know how new this phone is. I'm sure it's pretty new or whatnot. So yeah, it's available now in black, $69.99. So this is a budget phone. So do keep it in mind. The model number is B140DL. And so on the front of the phone, you just have your screen there. Nice looking wallpaper there, like a bluish wallpaper there. On top of that, you just have your earpiece, front facing camera. Power and volume keys will be on the right side of the phone there. The left side has nothing there's nothing on the left side here. And then on the back of the phone here, we got a pretty interesting looking bag here. You guys have a camera flash, Straight Talk, track phone logo, your blue logo, speaker, and it has like this design on the back there, which looks pretty nice. Looks pretty cool and different and unique. So yeah, scroll down to here. Introduction the BLU View 3. Introducing the BLU View 3, filled with amazing features such as 32 GB of internal memory, paired with 3 GB RAM, Android 11. Battery-friendly octa-core processor, and much more. The all-new BLU View 3 smartphone pushes the limit to the edge with a gorgeous 6-inch HD Plus in-cell display, 64-bit octa-core processor, 13-megapixel main camera with flash, and 8-megapixel camera for selfie lovers. So this phone is a fairly new guy, so it runs Android 11, which is very nice. So yeah, very nice looking phone. I think the phone looks very nice. The left side has nothing on it, guys. So I'm guessing your micro SD card and SIM card slot will be on the right side of the phone as well, because I don't know where else it could be at. So there's the front, left side, and back of the phone. The phone looks very nice, especially the back of the phone looks very unique looking and stuff like that. So pretty nice looking phone, Bluetooth, I'm gonna say Bluetooth 5.0 there. It just says Bluetooth and all that shit. 3400 mAh battery, MediaTek 6762 Helio P22 2 GHz octa-core processor. It does have GPS, hearing aid, talk time up to 13-24 minutes. I'm not sure what that translates into hours. 32 GB of internal memory, 3 GB of RAM. You do have a micro SD card slot up to 128 GB of storage, so take advantage of that. Anyway, 6.17 ounces. So what's included in the box is a BLU View 3 smartphone, charger, battery, which is embedded in the phone, activation card, services guide, and quick start guide there. Alright. More features. It runs Android 11, which is very nice. Not bad for $70, you know what I'm saying? 13 megapixel rear camera, video recorder, 8 megapixel front camera, 6-inch HD plus 18:9 in-cell display, 720 by 1440 pixel resolution, 32 GB on internal storage. You do get micro SD card slot up to 128 gigs. I don't know why it says 32 GB here. Processor is a MediaTek 6762 Helio P22 octa-core 2 GHz processor. So yeah. So for $70, it's not a bad phone, guys. It looks very nice. It has a unique design to it and stuff like that, especially on the back of the phone. The back of the phone is my favorite part about the phone. For $20, it's not a bad option to pick up for a backup phone or whatever. So it has pretty decent specs for what it is. A budget phone. It has Android 11. So for $70, you're getting a pretty good deal here. You know, you're getting a fairly recent version of Android. Android 11 is recent, so yeah, that's that's not the newest Android OS now, but it's just one step behind it. But still, it's still a great pickup for $70 though, if you guys are looking for a backup phone and whatnot. So there you guys have it, the BLU View 3, now available at Trade Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.